only make onions like this now in the air fryer, the crispiest onions you've ever seen. Start by using a medium-sized onion. Here I'm using a medium-sized onion, but you can use a small one too. I'll remove the ends here. And cut the onion into slices about a finger thick. And I prefer to cut the onion like this because it's easier to peel. Now let's remove the skins from the onions. And we're going to separate them into rings. Don't throw the smaller part away. Keep it because you can use it in salads or even to make a sauce. And this recipe, after I learned it, I only do it this way. Next, put the onions in a container and cover the onions with ice water. The onions with cold water. Add some ice cubes and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This process will take the acidity out of the onion, then place a whole egg in another container. 50 ml of milk. Pinch of salt, black pepper to taste, hot paprika to taste too. If you don't like it too spicy, add sweet paprika, oregano. And we'll blend it very well, remembering that you can always change the seasoning to your liking. Now add 4 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix well until the flour dissolves. Set aside and then drain the water from the onions. The onion rings here in the mixture we've made, and then put them in the cornflakes. If you prefer, you can use millet or cornmeal. And we'll do the same process with everyone else. Once you've done that, put the onion rings in the air fryer. My air fryer fit 5 rings in here. But if you want, you can add more to fry them all at once. I'll leave it here at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Fried like this in the air fryer without oil is much better. It's dry and crispy. Look how it turned out. People now just enjoy it. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell me what you think. No frying and super crispy. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.